Have you ever wished you could launch an online store without doing everything by yourself? What if AI could build your dropshipping store from start to finish in just a few clicks and guide you step by step until your store is ready to make money? In this video, I'll show you how the Genstore onboarding and launch guide works and how easy it is to create a full store using AI. First, you switch to a new store and type the store style you want, like fashion, gadgets, or home items. After a few seconds, the AI starts helping you by suggesting dropshipping. After that, AI agents are assigned to build your store automatically. This part may take some time because the AI is creating the full store for you, including design, layout, and content. You will see different AI agents pop up one by one, each showing what they are working on. Once everything is ready, you can preview your store to see how it looks. After the store is generated and published, the onboarding process is complete. Now let's move to the launch guide, which helps you finish all the important steps before you start selling. The first step in the launch guide is selecting dropshipping products. If you didn't add enough products earlier, you can add more here. The AI will suggest a good price range and useful keywords for each product based on your store style. You can change them if you want. Then choose from the recommended products until your store has enough items. The second step is designing your store. The Design AI helps improve your homepage using image examples and style ideas you give. The AI will first create a plan for the design, which you can edit if needed. After confirming the style, the AI starts making your homepage look more professional and attractive. When it's done, you can preview it. If you like it, publish it. The fourth step is setting up your domain. You can pick one suggested by AI or connect your own domain if you already have one. The fifth step is checking DropPay. This payment system is turned on automatically when your store is created. You can review the settings and adjust anything you need. The final step is setting up shipping. Genstore already adds some default shipping rules for you, but you can edit them based on your business needs. Once all these steps are done, your store is fully ready to run. Now you can start selling products and growing your dropshipping business with the help of AI. So that's how easy it is to create and launch a full dropshipping store using Genstore and its AI-powered system. From choosing products to designing your store and setting everything up, the AI does most of the hard work for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to start an online store easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.